Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a spiral doily. For this project I am using this 3-ply soft yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. You can also use a 4-ply yarn with 4mm crochet hook if you want. Then for the project, make slip knot and with the help of crochet hook start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and after these 4 chains go into the first chain and make a slip stitch into it, and then we would work into this ring. So for the first round make chain 1 and then chain 2. These 2 chains will not be counted as any stitch, so wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, so pull the yarn through first 2 loops and after that pull the yarn through last 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 2 into the ring, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. So in this way make 10 more double crochet stitches in the ring. I have made total of 16 double crochet stitches into the ring. You can also make 18 or 20 into the same ring if you want. Then make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch to finish this first round. After that make 2 chains. For the second round wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the same double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Now we would make a front post, so wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go from the front to the back of this double crochet stitch where we have made a double crochet and then back to the front in this way and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our front post double crochet stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch make a double crochet. After that again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go from the front to back and then back to front and draw a loop, 3 loops on our hook, pull the yarn through 2, then pull the yarn through 2. So this is our front post double crochet stitch again. Now into the next double crochet stitch make a double crochet again and in the same double crochet stitch make a front post double crochet stitch. Now in the next one make double crochet, then into the same stitch make a front post double crochet stitch again. So in this way for the second round we would make a double crochet stitch in the double crochet and then into the same stitch we would make a front post double crochet stitch also, and with the same process we would complete our second round. So complete this second round by making double crochet and then front post double crochet in the same stitch. So I have completed this double crochet stitches. Now to finish this second round make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, then make chain 1 and chain 2. For the third round go into the same double crochet stitch. For the second round in between this space of chain 2 and this double crochet stitch go and make a double crochet in it. So this is our double crochet 1, go into the same space and make double crochet 2 into this space, and after that go into the front post stitch and into this front post stitch we would make a front post double crochet like this. Then again in between space of this front post and the next double crochet stitch right here make 2 double crochet stitches. double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then into the next front post stitch, make a front post double crochet right here. So in the next front post and double crochet stitch space right here, make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, and then into the next front post stitch right here, make a front post double crochet. Again into the next between space of front post and a double crochet stitch, make 2 double crochets, and then into the next front post stitch, make a front post double crochet. So in this way complete this third round. So I have made this third round. To properly finish it, go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch into it. So our third round is completed. Now we would make fourth round, which is exactly the same as third one. So make 2 chains and then go into the space between chain 2 and this double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches in it, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this space. After that, into the next front post stitch, we would make a front post double crochet stitch. Now into this next space of front post, after front post stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches and then make a double crochet front post in the front post stitch. Now in the next space between front post and next double crochet stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches and then a front post double crochet stitch in the next front post. So this round is also similar as the third one. So complete this fourth round as we have completed the third one. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch and our fourth round is also completed. 3 and 4th was similar and now we would proceed for the fifth one. So make chain 2. Now go into this space between this double crochet stitch and chain 2 right here and make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 into the same space, and after that into next front post stitch, make a front post double crochet. Then in between this front post and next double crochet stitch space, make 3 double crochet stitches again, 1, 2 and then 3, and after these 3 double crochet stitches into the next front post, make a front post double crochet stitch again, now again into the next between space of front post and double crochet stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches and then make a front post double crochet in the next front post double crochet stitch. Again make 3 double crochet stitches in between space of front post and next double crochet stitch and then a front post double crochet in the next front post double crochet stitch. In this way we would get spiral shape in further more rounds. So complete this round and make next round with the similar increase method. So I have made my 5th and 6th round with 3 double crochet stitches and front post in the front post stitch. So now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, and our 6th round is also completed. Now we would start our 7th round. So make chain 2 going between this space of chain 2 and first double crochet stitch, and now we would make 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4, and after that we will make a front post double crochet stitch in the next front post stitch. After that, in the next space after front post and next double crochet stitch, make 4 double crochet stitches, 2, 3, and then 4, and front post stitch in the next front post double crochet stitch. Then again in the next in between space of front post double crochet and a double crochet stitch, make 4 double crochet stitches, and after that a front post double crochet stitch in the next front post double crochet. So in this way we would complete our round by making 4 double crochet stitches in between space and a front post double crochet in the front post double crochet stitch, and 8th round will also be made in the same increasing method. So in this spiral doily 2 rounds are same, so complete this 7th round and make 8th round with the same 4 double crochet and front post stitch. So I have made 7th and 8th round with the same process. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch and make chain 1 and then chain 2. Go into this in between space of chain 2 and 4 double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, and after 5 double crochet stitches into the next front post stitch, make a front post double crochet. Again in the next space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, and after 5 double crochet stitches make a front post double crochet in the next front post double crochet stitch. So in the next space make 5 double crochet stitches again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5, and after 5 double crochet stitches in the next front post make a front post double crochet stitch. So in this way we would make our 9th round, and 10th round would also be the same. So I have completed my 9th and 10th round. So this is our spiral doily. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch and complete this doily and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle at the back side stitches of doily. So I have woven these yarn ends. Now cut this starting yarn end and this ending yarn end with the help of cutter and remove them. Now our spiral doily is ready. You can make it even larger with the same increasing process of 2 rounds. You can make the 12 and 11 and 12 round with the 6 double crochet stitch in each space, and 13 and 14 with the 7th, and 15, 16 with the 8th in the same process. And you can make a large size rug also. So you can also make a cushion with it, a round cushion. So hope so you like this video. give it thumbs up if you like, and do subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching my videos and appreciating my work. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.